The Rubik's Cube. You've probably seen me solving one of these. Well, it has been my hobby for 10 years. At first, the Rubik's Cube was just a toy to me. I remember picking it up and honestly, a bit frustrated by how hard it was to solve. The colors were all mixed up. It never seemed to get better. But instead of giving up, that challenge made me more curious. I kept asking myself, how do people actually solve this? When I finally learned the beginner method and solved it for the first time, it felt incredibly rewarding. From then on, I kept practicing. That curiosity led me to speed cubing. And with that, more advanced solving methods with many algorithms. Recently, I've attended speed cubing competitions, with my best being an 8-second solve. From scrambled to solved. Stay committed, you guys.